In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the zoom extents issue in AutoCAD, where your drawing seems to disappear or becomes difficult to navigate. This is a common challenge faced by many users, but with a few straightforward steps, you can resolve it and streamline your drawing process. So let's dive right into it. Picture this. You have a drawing open in AutoCAD. You're trying to zoom to extents, expecting to get a nice focused view of your entire drawing. Instead, the view zooms all the way out, leaving you wondering what went wrong and how to get back to your work. The culprit here is often stray objects, situated far from your main drawing area, which can throw off the zoom extents function. The first step to tackle this issue is simple. You want to select everything in your drawing. To do this, just press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This will highlight everything currently within your drawing space. Upon doing this, you might notice blue outlines or grips appearing far away from your main drawing. These blue indicators point to objects that are distorting the zoom. Once you've identified these outliers, the next move is to delete them. By deleting these distant objects, you are effectively cleaning up your drawing space, allowing the zoom extents to work more accurately. Now, try using the zoom extents again. Normally, this step alone will solve the problem for many users. However, sometimes the issue can persist. When that happens, it's likely that there are hidden objects lurking in other layers of your drawing. To address this, you need to make sure all your layers are switched on. In AutoCAD, layers can be managed from the Layer Properties Manager. Once all layers are visible, press Ctrl+A. Once more to select everything. You may find additional objects that weren't visible before. Go ahead and delete these unwanted elements as well. With all unnecessary objects removed from both visible and previously hidden layers, try the zoom extents again. This should effectively refocus your view on the actual contents of your drawing, ensuring that you can work efficiently without constantly losing sight of your work. And that's it. By ensuring that all stray objects are cleared away, you maintain a tidy workspace and can make full use of the zoom extents feature. Hopefully these steps help you manage this common issue and improve your workflow in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips to enhance your AutoCAD experience.